Okay, so we'll be going over team number 10. So we have Liam marks 2 random points on a string of length 1 meter, and before cutting the string at those 2 points into 3 pieces. So what is the probability that no piece will be shorter than 0.2 meters or longer than 0.5 meters? So if he's picking 2 points, we can call those points, let's say, like X and Y. So what we can do is we can put X and Y on 2 axes so that to like show all the possibilities of how he could cut the string. So it ranges from 0 to 1 on both. So the total possibilities is like 1 times 1. And so we're trying to find out of those possibilities, how many of them have that each of the string pieces is at least 0.2, and none of them is larger than 0.5. So what we can do to ensure that no piece will be shorter than 0.2 meters, what we can do is we can essentially, for each of the 3 pieces, we can save 0.2 of the string for each of them. And then so that'll leave us with 0.4 that is left to be distributed between the 3 pieces of strings in any way we'd like. And no matter what, each of the pieces will have to be at least 0.2. So if we do that, so instead of 1 by 1, we're only allowed to cut a region of 0.4 since we've saved 0.6 to ensure that each of them is at least 0.2. So that region would be essentially 0.4 squared is the region. So that's the probability that every string is at least 0.2. But then now we need to look into, there's still a case where some of them are larger than 0.5. So what we can do there is we need to subtract off the cases where one of these strings is longer than 0.5. So since we have 0.4 and we're distributing it among 3 strings, and we don't want any of them to be larger than 0.5. So let's count essentially the probability that one of the strings is greater than 0.5 meters. So we have 0.4, right? So that means that one of them has to have 0.3 of the remaining 0.4, right? So let's just say we give it to this one plus 0.3. So that leaves us with only 0.1 to distribute. So that's the number of possibilities there is 0.1 squared. So, and then it's that times 3 because each of the 3 pieces could have had the additional 0.3 to make it 0.5. And so that'd be 0.1 squared times 3. So just to review, so the 0.4 squared, that's the fraction of this 1 by 1 square of the cases where no piece will be shorter than 0.2 meters. And then out of those 0.16 of the cases, there's 3 cases which are each 0.1 by 0.1, where each of the strings will have a length greater than 0.5. So we have to subtract those off. So this is our final answer here, 0.4 squared minus 0.1 squared times 3. So that's equal to 0.16 minus 0.01 times 3. So 0.013, which we can write as a fraction, is 13 over 100. And so that's the probability that Liam will pick 2 points on a string randomly and cut it into 3 pieces, which are all between 0.2 and 0.5 meters.
This is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.